Well, welcome back, everybody. And the market, of course, had an exciting week here. The market just closed a little bit ago on Friday afternoon. You'll probably see the video Sunday morning. But speaking of Sundays, last week in the video there, go back and watch it. We talked about what I was looking at here, and basically we talked about the 1 bar breakdown below. And so we said if we get 2 bar breakdown below and pull back to this key level, make that resistance, that would be very problematic. But what I was going to be watching for was breaking above that high from last week there in the immediate backdrop, and then we could look for a push right back up here to the falling resistance, right? In fact, let me just actually play that forward just for a moment there, and there you can see it, right? So we talked about that in the video. Well, so the thing is here, now as we bring us back to where we're at in the current market, sure enough, we went right back up to those levels and then had that super powerful stochastic spike strategy that I teach you all the time, and we rolled right back over with reverse inventory retracement bars selling right back to the downside, and sure enough went right back to that level again. You can't make this stuff up, gang. We talk about it in advance all the time. And so here's the thing. This weekend, we're not going to go ahead and talk in advance about what I'm looking for for the following week. The beauty is this time you have the Wealth365 Summit, and I'm going to be speaking on Monday. I'm going to be speaking on Tuesday. I'll be speaking in the evenings. I have very special events there throughout the week, so you're going to be able to get live updates from me on what's going on in the market, and also, as importantly, the key strategies that I'm focusing on. I did several trades in the live market here today, and I couldn't be more proud of what I did and how I did it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on these types of trading strategies going into next week. It doesn't matter whether you're a day trader or a swing trader. In fact, speaking of the swing trade side, we're going to be talking about the trading that Ted has recently done here as well, where he's closed position and how he was handling long side swing trading in this market here. I think that'll be very eye-opening for you as well, because I've told you there's still those great individual long side opportunities there, as well as of course short side as well, but some people don't like the short. So we're going to talk about all those different things. So next week could not be a better time. This is a super important time to be together. So make sure you go to join wealth365.com. Join wealth365.com. Get signed up right now and make sure you get there for my events. This is going to be such an important time here in the market. Plus, we're going to be sharing some key things here, as I'm going to be looking to do trading competitions again now that the COVID stuff is all settled down. Travel is available again internationally in that. Our family and the kids all have our passports and everything else. So we're looking at doing some trading competitions going into next year, how I'm training for those, the strategies I plan to use, and things like that. So it's going to be a lot of really great stuff jammed into the next week's Wealth365 Summit. It's the largest online trading investing show out there, and you need to be at it with me and a host of great instructors there and speakers that'll be there. Of course, we'll kick off with Ralph Akampora bright and early Monday morning to hear his thoughts on things, and then we'll go from there. We got some great presenters on the Monday morning lineup there. So looking forward to seeing you there. Go to joinwealth365.com. I'll see you Monday morning. We'll do it all live together next week. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.